In today's world, we're drowning in data constant alerts, endless streams, fleeting ideas. Yet the most powerful insights are often spoken, not typed. Important ideas vanish before they're captured. At Aikonic, we envisioned a future where technology doesn't just record, it understands and acts. Welcome to the dawn of the agentic AI era, where autonomous agents think and decide on your behalf. Introducing Aikonic AI Note, the ultimate productivity assistant, where agentic AI meets iconic innovation. This is your voice, fully empowered. Record with a single tap, no apps, no pairing, just pure, independent capture. Capture every moment and every call, WhatsApp, Line, WeChat powered by bone conduction sensors. Aikonic's advanced AI transcribes in seconds, supporting dozens of languages with near-human accuracy. It highlights key points, crafts a concise summary, and generates a clear action plan so you know exactly what to do next. Visualize your ideas with Dynamic Mind, Map-C relationships, unlock insights, export instantly to PDF, Text-to or custom templates, from voice to actionable files in one flow. Aikonic AI Note, Apple Watch, phone, and computer together form the voice hub of the Aikonic voice agent. Its real power is proactive AI, not passive archiving, but active thinking and acting. It spans meetings and timelines, keeps context and memory, and converts commitments into actionable tasks, remembering details and decisions from every conversation. By Ask Aikonic, and in minutes, you'll grasp the project at a glance and locate the keynotes. Meeting summaries converted into audio podcasts that auto-sync to the app and the web, perfect for commuting, running, or reviewing safely while driving. With calendar, mail integrations, summaries, and action items shared to your team or CRM, with one tap turning voice into understanding and action. From now on, let your voice work for you.